In this lesson, we'll show you how to add dimensions to your Revit project. This functionality allows you to see the dimensions of different aspects of your project. To add a dimension, go to the Annotate tab. And under the Dimension panel are a wide variety of different types of dimensions you can insert into your project. For this example, we'll select Line. If we want to show how far it is between each level, all we have to do is click on one of the dotted lines for one of the levels, and then click on the next level to measure it out. When you're done, click Modify. If you want to have a continuous dimension, that in this case runs through all the floors, but also shows you the dimensions of the individual floors, you can do that. From the Dimension panel under the Annotate tab, you can click on Aligned, or actually any of the other dimension types, in order to create a continuous dimension. Once you've chosen your dimension type, click again on one of the dotted level lines, and draw up and left-click on the next level. Then, without exiting Modify, you can click on the next level, and the dimensional line will continue. If you line up your new dimension with the old one, you'll have a seamless dimensional annotation for your entire project. Press the Escape key twice, or Modify, and you can exit your editing mode. You can still make additional changes, though. If you want to move the location of your dimension, all you have to do is move the mouse over the dimensional line, and left-click when you see the little move arrows appear. Then you can just drag your dimension wherever you need it in your project. Note that because the first dimension was made separately, we're going to have to move it separately. You can also control the shape of the witness lines. That is, the line that shows what the dimension refers to on your project. If you zoom in to the line that currently is at each level, you'll see these little nodes. The left one is called the witness line, and you can move that around. The node on the right lets you control how long the endpoint of the line is before it reaches the witness line. So feel free to play around and adjust these as much as you need, or as far as seems appropriate for the scope of your project. If you want to add dimensions without going through the Annotation and Dimension tabs, Revit offers you that functionality. Simply right-click on one of the other dimensions that you've already created, and select the Edit Witness Line option. Now you can drag up and start creating an additional dimension above that. We'll align this new witness line with the column here, and then left-click, creating a new dimension. When you're done, just click anywhere in the white space of your project.